What? I don't know if someone did that purposely. It's like, hey you guys, there's a speed limit, and it just blanked. Oh fuck, holy shit. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys saw that. Holy fuck. Rear braked. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, oh fuck again. Whoops. Oh dude, that was dangerous. Oh, that was close. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. This is Ride with Jono. Today I am with one of my new friend. One of my new riding friend who recently just purchased a brand new Triumph 675 bike. That looks so freaking sick, man. He just literally picked it up yesterday as well, and he's really happy with his purchase. So today we're meeting up. It's our first time meeting up. We spent like, I don't know, 25 minutes at the petrol station talking about bikes, obviously. Very nice guy. And now he's behind me. That bike is so damn sexy, by the way. Where are we going today, Jono? Where are we going today? I have no freaking clue where we are going. Oh fuck that bump. I just know that we are going somewhere. Don't think it will be a long ride though, but we're going somewhere. Let me see if I can get some pictures of his bike. Oh yo, dude, that's sick. Nice bike, buddy. Nice bike. Holy shit, I want to sit on that. I've never tried. I want to find a stop where we can literally sit down and have some coffees. I really feel like a nice afternoon coffee. Why am I speeding, and why is this road 50 for so long? Oh, it's a kid song. Never mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed my last video that I talked about the 6 things that I really like about the MT-07. I hope that video gave you guys some really good ideas if you are looking at purchasing an MT-07, whether it is a LAMS approved version or the regular full power version. Regardless, it's a great bike. And I also forgot to mention in the last video that when I talked about the riding lesson, or the riding course that I went to, is called the Ride Forever thing. It's called the Ride Forever riding course. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I think it's worth going to if you want to get some tips and advices from the instructors. They're really nice people, they're experienced, they know what they're doing, so I really do recommend it. And when I went, it was free because ACC covered it. Alright, I hope the coffee shops are open, because I really do need a coffee. Oh fuck, holy shit. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys saw that. Holy fuck. Yeah. Rear braked. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck again. Whoops. Oh dude, that was dangerous. Oh, that was close. Probably not a good sign. Oh my god, that gave me a fucking fright. Let's see. Oh, nice time out there, dude. Fuck. Oh, that's a cop right there. Lucky we're not speeding. And he's not turning around either. Good. Seriously guys, today is one nice day during winter. It's really hard to come by, like really freaking hard to come by. Although it's a little chilly, but that's really good. Look at that. That's the perks that you get in New Zealand. I like riding at a very comfortable speed sometimes. This is a really comfortable speed, but I'm not rushing for anything. This is just like literally me enjoying my moment on my bike. Just having fun, chilling out, not trying to, you know, speed, overtaking anyone, anything, just literally enjoying the road, enjoying life. For the people who don't ride, strongly recommend you to get on any two wheels. If you have if you have a push bike, get on it, do some exercise. If you do have a motorcycle, get on it on a day like this. It's so enjoyable. Come on man, give us a coffee shop here, give us a cafe. Any cafe will do it. Not gonna be picky when there are not many options. Nice. Oh, I want to listen to the intake sound. I know it sounds so good. I think your bike is actually lighter, dude. Well, your clutch is really far out. It's really far out. Oh god, oh my god. Well, guess what guys, I am on another motorcycle right now. Thank you so much for this new friend that I met up today. He's very generous. Let me ride on this motorcycle. So this is the Triumph 675 lamps approved version. And surprisingly, this bike is, I think it's lighter than my MT-07. Like seriously, it's, oh, this feels great, dude. My god. But my body, it's a little bit more forward, like leaning forward, but I think that is better in corners. The bike needs braking in. Literally, the guy just bought this bike yesterday, so I'm not gonna rev this thing because it needs braking in, and the bike has only done 183 kilometers. The intake sound, this feels great. I am at 4,000 RPM, 5th gear. Oh, this is nice, dude. But one thing that I noticed though, something that it's not a complaint, easy to be fixed. The clutch is really far out, to a stage where it's just literally I don't think that is the purpose of this clutch. Ooh. Oh, that's great. So comfy. All right, let's check the brakes out. I hope he's not too close. Oh, the brakes is good. Rear brake. Okay, the rear brake, it's got very minimum grip. One thing that I really like about Triumph bikes is the intake sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it honestly sounds great. Yeah, I'm not gonna rev this thing, man. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe next time. After the bike has been broken in, I don't know. Ergonomics wise, I think the bars are slightly wider than MT-07 and slightly a bit lower as well. That's why I'm leaning a bit forward. Leg room wise, it's a bit high up, but not to a stage where I feel uncomfortable. Nice low end torque. Not as torquey as my MT-07. I think it's a good thing though. The power output on this thing is really smooth. Nice and linear. Oh yeah, this is and cornering wise, I think this is, it gives me more confidence than my MT-07 already, and this is my first 10 minutes on this. It's comfy. It's really comfy as well. Nice bike, bro. I hope he is enjoying on my MT-07 too. Yeah, the torque is nice and instant and smooth. But very unfortunately, this bike does not come with quick shifters, which I don't think is a deal breaker, but it would be very, very nice if it came with one. Oh, okay, here it is. So this is not a review, it's just a quick little ride that my friend is providing me. It's very generous of him. Maybe I'll just stop behind this bike. I need to stop very carefully. Nice bike, man. The dash is nice and clear, very informative. Oh, let me, where's the fucking pig? Oh, not this one. Where is it? Oh my god, that pig was really hard to find.
Thank you.
No worries, bro.
Well, hope I see you out and about again.
Yeah, see you next time. Maybe this weekend. I'll let you know.
Yeah.
It sounds good. Like seriously, bro. Sounds fucking good. Alright, that was a quick little ride. I wouldn't call it a test ride just yet, because it was way too short. It was a little fun ride on this new fun bike, on this new bike. It was great. Is this a 100 road or is this like a 80 road, man? And it's more sign. So really thank you to my new friend who is just right in front of me at the moment for letting me having a little short fun ride with this new bike. Triumph 675 LAMS approved version. Great bike, great bike. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ride with Jono, and if it's your first time here, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you consider you like my content, please subscribe. and hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.